As a seller in the housing market, the anticipation of an offer can be very exciting as well as frustrating. Hi, I'm Patty Hardy, and I'm the broker owner of Sheridan Realty right here in beautiful Canyon Lake. Selling your home can bring on many different emotions, especially when it comes to receiving offers. So your home is often your most prized possession and your most valuable asset. So if you receive a lowball offer, it can be very daunting. It can also make you feel resentful, but don't despair. Stop and take a different approach. Take a deep breath, because although it's a lowball offer, it is still an offer. According to Realtor.com, a lowball offer can lead to a successful sale if the seller and their agent play their cards right. After all, it is you, as the seller, who ultimately decides on whether to accept or reject the offer, so the ball is in your court. Keep in mind, just because a buyer starts with a low offer does not mean they're trying to take advantage. There's always room for negotiation, whether it be on the price or possibly on other terms, such as a free rent back to allow you more time to move, other options like that. So the bottom line, no seller dreams of getting a lowball offer. But with an experienced agent on your team and the right strategy, you can turn a mediocre offer into a great sale. Reach out to me, reach out to my team. I'd love to help you strategize and get your next move in real estate in the sale of your home. Again, it's Patty Hardy. My number is 210-313-1010. Give me a call and I'll answer the phone. Talk to you soon. Thanks.